I'm motherfucking living. I'm motherfucking living for these pictures. What's up YouTube, it's your girl Tatiana Noel and I'm back with another video. So as you can see by the thumbnail and clearly by the title, I'm going to be turning my living room and myself into like royalty or what have you. You know, I got some little inspiration on Pinterest and I was just like, oh, I have these braids. Okay, first of all, let me tell you guys, I have these braids in my head and I cannot stop spinning them. I literally cannot stop whipping my hair and putting it. I need to chill out because I have stuff behind me. These braids kind of inspire me and I have this this stuff right here, so all this stuff kind of just inspired me. I was like, let's see, I'm gonna turn my little like area into some royalty, take some bomb ass pictures, because what else do we have to do besides take pictures for the gram? You guys are gonna get the full tea. You guys are gonna get a little backdrop on the BTS on how I set up and take my Instagram pictures, and then you can go to Instagram and like the picture because we didn't do all this work for nothing. Okay, like the picture. Yeah, you like the picture. Okay, thank you. Anyway, but before we get into that, you guys already know, go ahead and make sure you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below what is your favorite part of this video, what kind of content you guys want to see from me. I know somebody like left a comment and basically was like they want to see some Photoshop content, but since I am so self-taught and I'm not 100% confident in my skills to teach somebody else Photoshop right now, but I will in due time. Don't worry, I will bring that content to you in due time. But until then, comment down below what kind of content you guys want to see from me, because you know I gotta grow my channel up. It's only sitting at 69. This is not okay. This is not okay. Yeah. Comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications on because you know I don't post my video on a regularly scheduled program. I am really flaky when it comes to a schedule, so turn your post notifications on so you don't miss when I post that video, and you can always stay in tune because let's just be real here, I post that heat. And without further ado, but before yeah, wait a minute. Shameless promo. You guys didn't know I had a website, TatianaNoelArt.com. Check it out. I have, you know, all my little lovely faces here, but then not only that, you guys can shop my artwork. You already know. And then if you can't see this over here, that is my channel. That's the one that I'm telling you to subscribe to, so make sure that you're subscribed. Okay, do that. And then now let's get into this video. All right, let go. All right, y'all, so this is my Pinterest board right now. It kind of looks like it's all over the place, but it's really not. So you see I have a bunch of these leaves, and then I think I want to do something like this little headpiece, maybe something like that or something like that. I'm sorry, I still have my camera on the tripod, so it's real ranky-dink right now. But yeah, so I just want to do like the leaves in the background. I like how this is two-tone. Y'all know I have that cloud paper, so I really like that. And then I have these rings, or I have this ring that's kind of pointing like that, and I really like that. And yeah, like this headpiece, the gold, the drape. I really love how they have the headpiece on, and then they have gold on their body, and then the drape fabric. So this is kind of the idea that I'm going for, and yeah, so we're gonna make it come to life. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So I lucked up, you guys, and forgot about this rug that I had. I started to make, well, it's a long story. I don't even want to get into it, honestly. But yeah, so I found this rug in this old suitcase that I'm debating if I'm going to use this suitcase because I think it might be overkill on the decoration. But I found this rug, and this is just going to go so bomb if I do decide to get like ground shots, aerial shots. Like, oh, I'm here for it. Oh my God. Okay, let's keep going. All right, you guys, so I just took a little bit of inventory around my house, and these are the things that I'm going to start. Let me move the light a little bit. Ooh. These are the things that I have in mind that I'm going to use for the show. Obviously, I'm not going to use everything, but I have some fabric. Fun fact, I used this fabric in a fashion show a very, very, very long time ago, and I still have it. My old coworker brought me this fabric back when she went to Africa, which is really pretty. It's like a scarf. These are just backdrops. And then I have these leaves that my mom used at my uncle's party. And then this is the very first backdrop I ever purchased. Yeah, so sorry, note, if you guys see these, they're going on my website soon. But yeah, so I'm gonna use this stuff to kind of decorate this wall right here and turn it into this shoot. I may end up using some of this paper too, specifically the cloud paper and maybe the yellow. I don't know how I feel yet, but yeah. Ew, I just had a whole zoomed in moment. So anyways, like I was just saying, I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on the tripod. I'm going to basically time lapse this whole thing. You're gonna see me go through the creative process. I will tap in with you guys whenever I feel like there's something I want to say, or just give you a little explanation as to why or how I'm doing something. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my lighting system situated, get my camera on the tripod, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Peace. Loving every bit of this, okay? So tell me how I did in the comments below. Make sure you comment below. Tell me how I did, because so this is it right now. Tell me how I did in the comments below. Sorry, y'all can hear that in the background. So yeah, I'll be back. All right, you guys. So I'm like having anxiety attacks right now because I have this little arm for my camera stand that holds both of my cameras at one time. But my Canon just fell, and y'all, I swear to goodness, I thought it was broken. But it's not. I'm so grateful. But I just wanted to show you guys. So this is going to be taking my pictures. This is going to be getting like A roll, maybe B roll. I don't know yet. And then I'll have my phone getting some additional shots. In the first outfit, you guys didn't see any phone footage because I was using my Canon Connect to take the pictures, but I screen recorded, so I'll have that. But in the second outfit, I'm going to be using my, see, this shit is like trying to make me fucking die. Oh my god, I'm going to be using this thing. But you guys, I'm gonna set you guys up. I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and take as many pictures as I can. All right, so this is one outfit that I have in mind. It's a little more like the look I'm going for, because I have the braids in my head. It's like the hair down and then the bare chest almost, and then just like, you know, this has a high split. I don't know what that is. Yeah, this has a high split, so it'll look really pretty. And then these I want to wrap around my feet. Then, you know, this is the other outfit that I have. Excuse me, it's really cute. This is actually a two-piece pant set. You guys probably seen this on my Instagram before, but I'm just gonna like take the pants and kind of wrap it around in like this layered look. And then I have this beautiful choker right there. That choker is so beautiful. And then just my little fur and this jewelry I have over here I'm so excited about. I have this ring, which is gonna be really pretty, and then this is like a cuff earring, and I'm just gonna do a regular earring on the other ear. Then I have all these rings here, literally a whole bunch of rings. Sorry for like the little shitty camera angle or whatever, but my stuff is preoccupied right now. So this is kind of the outfit. This is how it ended up looking, y'all. I didn't even want to get into the struggle that it was to get this to look like something like that. And then, all right, y'all. So I am shooting on my Canon Connect. I have it connected on my phone. Living, bitch. Living! I'm motherfucking living. I'm motherfucking living for these pictures. Hey guys, this is outfit number 2. So it's about to get real because I'm about to just set it up on continuous shooting and just pose for the gods. Okay, so let's go. Bitch. I just took some ground shots and I thought I was recording it. I don't think that I pressed record. So it's been a long day. It's been a very long day. Look who is next to me. I think she's a bit disturbed that I have devoted my whole day to something other than her. Hi. Look up. Hi. Are you mad at mommy? I know. But yeah, so what I was about to say is I know a lot of you are going to ask me where I got the arm from that's holding my cameras, and when I bought my Canon, I bought it off of Amazon, and it was like a big package of like a bunch of camera equipment, and that came in there. So I would probably look for like dual like camera arm or something, like, you know. But yeah, that's where I got it from. It's very convenient because you can screw on the iPhone holder and you can take iPhone footage while you're recording. It's just really convenient, so I would definitely invest in that. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys stuck all the way to the end of this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up, like this video for me, because you stuck all the way to the end. I know this is your favorite kind of content. You guys really love my first DIY in-home photo shoot video. That's my most watched video, other than the photo video that I posted on YouTube. But obviously you guys wanted to know who I was, so yeah, that is my most liked video. So I wanted to bring it back for you guys with a different backdrop, different aesthetic, different kind of vibe. So yeah, tell me what was your favorite part of this video. Comment down below. Let me know if you like the setup, if you want to see different angles, if you want to see vertical shots versus horizontal shots, because vertical shots will get you full body, but even though the pictures aren't going to be full body. Yeah, just comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have some ideas or Photoshop. Let me know if you have some ideas or backdrops that you want to see accomplished or want to see done, so you can get some inspiration on how to get them accomplished. And yeah, just make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I post my next video, because you know I do not post on a normal schedule. So just go ahead and turn your notifications on so you do not miss when I post my next banger, because who want to miss my video? Who? Okay, so yeah, turn on your post notifications, and yeah, I think that's gonna do it. Is that it, Pumpkin? Pumpkin, is that it? I think so. Thank you guys. Peace. Hey, wait, before you go, did you guys know that I have a website? Yeah, probably not because I'm pretty bad at mentioning it, but here it is right here on the screen, TatianaNoelArt.com, where I have my custom artwork, some of the looks that I've done that you guys didn't get to see on my YouTube channel, and some stuff that I'm coming at you guys with really, really soon. Make sure you follow all my social medias linked right here on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave off this channel, and watch another video while you're at it. Thanks. Peace.